Hi, I'm Shannon Miller with the Miller Elder Law Firm.
And hi, I'm Star Bradbury with Senior Living Strategies. And today, I'm here to interview Shannon about a topic that I think is going to be make a tremendous difference and have an impact for a lot of seniors. And it's something that has been in the works for a while. And it's called the Elder Law Risk Detector. And I just have some questions for you today.
Great.
Can you tell me what exactly is the Elder Law Risk Detector and who is it designed to help and serve?
So it is designed to be a tool for people who are out in the community, Adult Protective Services, your neighbor, anybody who comes in contact with someone who may be vulnerable to exploitation.
You know, when you say that, what occurs to me is it's also a tool that can be used within the senior living industry, meaning as a consultant in senior living, if I had a client who I was really concerned about, I could use this tool.
Absolutely.
Or even a home health agency, somebody in someone's home that's either a social worker or even a hands-on care provider might benefit from this kind of a tool.
Absolutely.
And tell us how it works.
So it runs through a bunch of questions, and the idea of that is, you know, as these answers to these questions come in, there's an assessment that's done. And basically, as a result of that assessment, a referral can be made to community resources to connect someone who's vulnerable with resources to help that person. So for example, if I had someone who met the criteria for vulnerable, they could be connected with resources that could aid in filing something like an exploitation injunction for the benefit of that person if they were being exploited by someone. So all these really criteria that are established in the tool have been tested and verified, and what they're intended to do is to connect not just the person who's vulnerable, but actually the advocate who's taking steps to help that person who's vulnerable.
Well, that's what I liked about it. Yeah. I took about a 2-hour training. It was months ago, so I'm hoping that I can remember everything I learned. But what I liked about the website is that when you initially go on the website, you can check that you're either a senior using the website or you're an advocate or a healthcare social worker that's trying to refer this person. You have worries and concerns.
Yes.
So you have the option when you first get on the website of choosing who are you and why are you on that website.
Right. And I think some of the nice things about the tool are that it also has an exploitation injunction builder built in. So if you're an advocate in Florida, you don't have to be an attorney to file an injunction.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
okay.
To protect someone. And there's actually a handbook as well as a webinar that you can actually access through the Elder Risk Detector website.
Well, I saw what they called a guided interview. So let's say you're a consultant and you have a client and you're just not sure how to even approach this. There are questions that are provided on the website that are really helpful to kind of guide you through an interview that will help you determine as an advocate if you think that person's at risk. You may have noticed things around the house, or you may think the person is behaving strangely, or they're too nervous to answer questions because there's someone in the room with them.
Yes.
And so this is just another avenue to help you that's very benign. By that I mean it's not confrontational at all. It's a really simple guided interview that poses questions either for you to ask or for the senior could go on there online themselves and answer it.
Yes. That's what it's intended to do. And I think the beautiful thing about this tool is that it's just another resource that we can add to the whole toolbox of resources that we now have in Florida to help seniors and to help us stop exploitation.
And is this a secure site? It's a secure site.
It is a secure site.
Mm-hmm.
It's put out through the Department of Elder Affairs.
Well, I think this is great, and we will post the website on the video. So keep looking because you'll find it. All the information you need to reach that Elder Risk Law Detector website.